Hi, good afternoon. It's rainy afternoon here in Yunlin Village. Today, Grainy Mountain, but here is so foggy. Here this side so foggy when the rain is falling. See, cannot see already there. Actually, that one is the mountain, but because it's raining this afternoon, so it's so foggy and it seems is heavy rain that side there. Here also. Actually, the sunrise will rise this side, but today is afternoon already, and it's raining day, rainy afternoon, so it's full of fogs, fogs or clouds. See, not see already that side there. Actually, you can see that side there is must be green, like that one. That side must be green, but now is surrounded already, surrounded by the clouds. White clouds. Is that why? Ano, gray clouds. Is that clouds or is that rain? Basta mauna na siya. Still green that side there. Still green. But it's going to be white because maybe it's going to have heavy rain. Heavy rain. See, it's so foggy because it's rainy day afternoon. It's rainy afternoon.